It is a multi-purpose brush used in many sectors such as carpet washing, glass cleaning, food, defense industry, and product packaging. It greatly increases the efficiency of the materials used as spare parts in machinery and equipment. In addition the features such as diameter, bristle, length, and width can be changed to its usage areas. As Hilal Brush, in order to meet the needs of our customers, we are constantly improving brushes by our technical painters and engineers with the aim of getting perfect result with our 30 years of knowledge, accumulation, and experience. From standard brushes to specially designed brushes, we continue to provide reliable and long-lasting service for you with our CNC production line of over 5,000 brush models with our R&D and innovations. We are happy to have a place in your life, even if it is small.